Welcome. This module shows you how to log in into your FibeAir IP-20 network element for the first time. First, choose your browser and go to the IP address of your network element. In our case, the network element resides at the 192.168.1.56 IP. We will use this address to log in through the web browser. What you see here is the login page of your IP-20 element. Next, input your username and password for login. The default username is admin. Now, time to input your password. By default, the initial password for the IP-20 element is admin. Now hit the apply button to complete your login. In this way, you successfully logged into the FibeAir IP-20 element. This is the view for the unit and radio summary page. All of your important information about this particular element can be found here. Please notice the unit parameters, the current alarms on your element, the link status information, the radio information tab and the remote radio parameters. Also present on this page are the power transmission level and the receiving signal level. That concludes our demonstration for the first login into the IP-20 network element.